Hi, today we're gonna make the Dereck medical hat. So, you start with the bottom piece, then the curved piece. This is the straight part and this is the curved part. So on the straight part, you're gonna assemble the straight part of this piece like this. And you do the same thing for the other piece, like this. I chose this stitch, but you can use this or this or this stitch. This is what the seam looks like. So to assemble the top piece, the one with the pointy end, to the side of the head, we are going to pin along the curve like so. We have pinned the pieces together. Again, using either this stitch or this one or this one to assemble. You want to take your time along the curve. This is what the seam looks like, and if we open it up, follow the same process, we pin the other side like so. Now to finish the hat, I am simply going to use the same stitch all along, just to make a quick finish. If you want something pretty, you can sew hems like this, or you can use bias tape, so that's really up to you. Our hat is finished. We just need to flip it inside out, and there it is. And this is the final result.